After over 400 uses and roughly 400 times in the dishwasher, my Syvio blender finally broke. This still works beautifully, but I wore down the rubber nubs so it can't connect and spin. Luckily, this is not a permanent break. There is an easy fix. Let me show you. Now, I truly have used this over 400 times, and this part of it, the engine, is still spinning beautifully, which I'll show you in just a moment. And what it spins is this piece right here. This piece is designed to connect into this rubber bottom right here. But as you can see, all the rubber bits have busted off. And most of them all came off in the same cycle, which was kind of wild to me. I think one of them went and the pressure on each one individually just basically busted them all off in one go. But this is an easy fix. You just need to take it apart. And you can take off the rubber piece or not. This is something that's good to know in general, is this is a piece that you often want to take off and clean, as it will collect buildup around this edge otherwise. And now to take this off, you just want to hold the tines with something that will keep them from hurting you. And then this actually spins off. It may be really tight for you the first time. I've done this once already, but it spins to the right, which yes, is counterintuitive. And once you spin it off, you can clean this up and stick on the new one that came with the Syvio. Yes, it came with a backup of these. So you can just twist that one on if you have it on hand. That said, you might have lost it, or if you're like me, you might have just thrown it away, assuming that you would never need it. So I actually emailed Syvio to get a new one of these, as I couldn't find the replacement online, and they offered to send me a whole new base for free. And here it is, just like new. I have a new base, and what's cool about this is the base has actually changed a bit since I got mine. It now has an extra little cutter blade on it, so that's pretty cool. But other than that, it's really the same exact base. And when I requested this from them, I emailed them through Amazon's customer support from my personal Amazon account. So they did not know that I was an influencer when they sent this to me. So to me, that says they have really good customer service, and you can definitely get the replacement parts you need to keep your Syvio going. So since it's been a month since I've run this, let's test it real quick. I'm just gonna fill this up with some water and ice. Icy water is in. The new top fits perfectly on my old cups. You have to twist it down, get it in those tabs, and then you have to push down and lock it into place. Now it's ready to go. I basically made a slushie. I cannot tell you how happy I am to have my Syvio blender back. This is a fantastic, simple blender that takes up a really small footprint, and I've already put it to the test. It really does last. The Syvio blender.